Guys, what's going on? This is Brett. Just wanted to show you the drawing application in Google Docs. If you have a Gmail, Google Docs is free. Has a lot of great applications in here that you can use for your business. I have multiple videos on my YouTube channel which I'll provide so you can check it out. But here is the drawing portion, and what I use this for: you can create banners, you can create call to actions, all kinds of cool little graphic things. Real simple, easy to use. Just get in here and get your fingers dirty and check it out. But I just wanted to show you kind of something we're going to create real quick. You see all the red arrows, the click here's, opt-in boxes. You know, you want to point to something in your web page. I mean, tons of different things, tons of different uses you can use. And here is how I usually create them, because it's quick and pretty painless. So go up to Documents when you have your Gmail open, and then hit Create New. Go to Drawing. Now just remember, guys, get in here and play around with all this stuff, you know, and just get a feel. But you highlight over all these, it'll tell you what it is. Okay, like that. And we want to go into the shapes. Gives you all the shapes you can choose from. And I am just going to pick this arrow here. And you won't see it. You have to click with your left. You know, if you have a mouse, click left, or just place it on there, and it'll make it small. You can take these arrows right here and you can make it as big as you want. Okay, and we'll just make it this big, this green arrow right here. Guess what? You can make it go whatever direction you want. So we'll make it go pop straight up. Okay. I'm going to move it in the center. Check this out. These little red dots and lines that pop up all the time. That's telling you that your item is dead center in the page. Okay, so just remember, play around, see what all these little dots do. You can do anything you want. Move, make it smaller, fatter, wider, longer. I want this arrow to be red since it's highlighted. I go up to the painter bucket here, click on it, it'll give me all my colors. I'll choose red. Okay, move this down. Now I want to create the click here or go here. This is a text box. This is what you need to write your text in. So you pull open your box, just type in click here, go here, whatever you need to put in there, whatever you want to do. Okay, all these type tools will open up. So let's make it bigger first so we can see it, and go ahead and just make it 60, and you'll just have to play around however big you want. We don't want it quite 60, we want a straight line, so we'll do that. And I want this, we'll just make it blue just for fun. I want it bold. If you want it italic, you can see what it looks like there. However you want. Okay, now here's some stuff we can do. You can take this and move this around however you want. If you want it to go over the arrow like that, if you want it to be right on top of the arrow, if you want part of the letters to be in there. If you have a lot of stuff going on your page and you create this, I'm going to show you a little tip. Go into Format, go into Order down here, and you'll see this: bring the front, bring forward, send the back. I'm going to send this to the back so you can see how it disappears and the arrow overlays that. If you have something on here that you just can't figure out what's going on, it'll look like this. Just remember, everything you highlight, that's what's going to happen if you go into Order. Just highlight what you want, and we'll just say send the back. Okay, move that up. Now it's really important from here, just get in here, get your fingers dirty, check it out. It's important. Untitled drawing, I'm just going to put click here. Just put in there whatever you need so that you know what's going on. Okay, next important thing is you want to download this as a JPEG. Reason being is JPEGs, you won't have any problems uploading this into whatever you're going to use it for. So save it as a JPEG. Save it to wherever you want in one of your folders, however you do it in your organization. But that's pretty simple. Have any questions, get a hold of me. Check out my YouTube channel. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.